Sup dudes, welcome to this little quick video. I thought I would make a quick little video of me installing my new Bac3D axle sliders. If you want to get some good fucking axle sliders, I mean I haven't tried these yet, but they seem fucking genius. Look up Bac3D. It is this Danish dude, which is our generation's Einstein. He's like super smart, super genius. So we're going to install these pegs today. Ooh, Pepsi! Work lunch. To start off, we need to remove this axle nut. Maybe you shouldn't talk this down this much, but hey, rather it being shut than not. Then, if I am correct, this cap here should be to just, you know, knock out. Yep, so now we got to drill, and I think this is a 12, and I believe I have an exact 12 drill. So we're gonna see, it seems like it's the one we need. Ah, fuck me. So if you're gonna do this install, I suggest you do use a smaller drill bit and center that drill hole, because my way did not work as I had hoped, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Put the bolt back on. About there. So this one's gonna go through there. Right, so. And there we go. I got myself some axle sliders. Now let's do the front. I believe it's a 17 maybe? It is. Inside here, a cap as well. There we go. I'm almost bleeding out here. A little bit like that. So there we have my klubba. This metal thing that looks like a nut is actually just a cap. So if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to bump that shit out. There we go. That's the way, yep, it's only a cap. There we go. Then we got a drill, and as you can see, it's poking, it's like a cone thing poking out in this nut, so we need to drill from this way. Let's go. Easy. I'm gonna bump up to a 10, I think. And now the 12. There we go. Let's use the air. And push it in. As you can see on this axle slider, it's supposed to go inside the thingamajig itself. Then we're going to insert the axle slider on the other side. Take it, take it. And that's actually sitting quite firm on there. Axle sliders on the front as well. Woo, gee! This is our generation's Einstein, this dude. He's so clever, so smart. Well, I'm very satisfied with these. So if you want to get yourself some good looking axle sliders, wheel pegs, look up Bac3D. They got you covered. They also got other stuff on there. So check out their website and buy whatever you need. Ram, 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 ram. Woo! Oh, hand drag, whoa! Yep, I'm satisfied. I have a great feeling about this. If you want to see more of my stupidness, then all you have to do is click that motherfucking follow button. Jesus Christ.